Hi, and welcome to Teach It by Cece. My name is Chelsea Kleins. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel and ring that bell to get new notifications when I upload new and awesome content. Enjoy today's video. Hey guys, it's Miss Kleins here. And today I just want to go over a little bit more in depth on how to do box plots. Let's begin. So, what is a box plot? A box plot is a diagram constructed using the median, quartiles, and extreme values. A box is drawn around the quartile values, and the whiskers extend from each quartile to the extreme values. So, what steps do I use? Well, for this demonstration, we'll be using the numbers shown below: 6, 8, 10, 10, 11, 12, 10, 18, 14, 27, and 16. So, what do you think that first step is? Well, the first step is to order the numbers from least to greatest. When we do this, we get the following: 6, 8, 10, 10, 10, 11, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 27. For the next step, we need to determine the median, or what will be called the second quartile. If you remember in previous lessons, the median is also the middle of the set of numbers. So, for this set of numbers, when we look at this, the median is 11. Now that we found the second quartile, or median, we have to find the first and third quartiles in the set of numbers. So we'll be using, for the first quartile, the numbers before the median. So 6, 8, 10, 10, and 10. And with this set, what we want to do is find the median, or the middle of this set, which happens to be 10. To find that third quartile, we're going to now focus on the numbers after the median. So 12, 14, 16, 18, and 27. And we're going to again find the median in this set of numbers, which will be 16. Our fourth and final step is going to be to identify the least and greatest number. We will also call these the lower and upper extremes in the number set. You may have also heard the terms the minimum and the maximum number. So if we're looking for that, we're going to focus on the first number, which is 6, our least or lower extreme, and 27, which is the greatest or our upper extreme. So now that we know the steps, we need to use this data to make our box plot. So first, let's talk about what we know. We know that our first quartile is 10, our second quartile is 11, our third quartile is 16, our lower extreme is 6, and our upper extreme is 27. So when we're looking at this on a number line, we can see where we have plotted all these numbers. So that's what each dot represents, is the first, second, third quartile, the lower and the upper extreme. So let's talk about how to draw that box plot. Well, the first step is you have to draw a vertical line through the second quartile, or the median, as shown here with the blue line. Your next step is going to be to draw a box to include the first and third quartiles, as shown above with the red box. Your final step is going to be to extend the whiskers from the first and third quartiles to your extreme data points. So for example, the pink lines in this one, our lower extreme, which is 6, is connected to our first quartile, and our upper extreme, 27, is connected to the third quartile. So now that we know how to do this, we have some practice. It's your turn. If you have any questions, replay the video or ask your teacher for more assistance. This is Mrs. Klein signing off. Good luck, guys. You got this.